Here we go again. Welcome to another Kaspa video. Today we're going to talk about the Kasware wallet update that they did to recoup the Kaspa that were lost in the KRC-20 minting process. Before we start, can you slap the like button and subscribe? Thank you for your support, and without further ado, let's get right into it. Well, yesterday, Astrom, one of the leaders of the Nacho community, posted this. Great news, the Kasware team was released a wallet app update that may help you recoup some of the Kaspa that were stuck in the KRC minting process. Now, if you were minting that day, you just need to see if some of your Kaspa were stuck there and just recoup it. It's gonna be back into your wallet. To upgrade it, you just go to the extension button, go to manage extensions, and go, just click the update button, and it's gonna automatically update all ads that you have in the extension. Once you get there, you just need to see that your Kasware wallet is in 0.6.22. That's the last update. And once you are there, you just need to open the app and go to the bottom right corner. Click there and click the apps button. Once you click there,
in this forum, I have a goal: reach 1,000 subscribers, but I cannot do it without your help. So if you're not subscribed, I invite you to do so and share this information with someone else. Thank you.
You're gonna see the button retrieve incomplete KRC-20. Once you're here, you just have to put the sticker of every single project that you mint that day, okay? Just in case, not just the Nacho. We're gonna use the Nacho one here in this example, and once you put the sticker there, you just need to click research and see. That's unfortunate because I already did it and I don't have that sample right now, but once you put the ticker here and click search, you're gonna see the amount of Kaspa that it is stuck. And once you see it, you just have to recoup it. It's gonna be automatically in your account. Let's say that you have 11,050 Kaspa. Now you're going to have 11,000 and something Kaspa, more than 50, because it's going to be automatically recoup in your account. Okay, once you do that, you just need to wait until they do the relaunch and remint the token again. And that's all for today. I hope this video helps you recoup those Kaspa, and if you're interested in this type of content, don't forget to like this video so I can be showing to another people that might like this video also, and subscribe. And thank you for your time, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.